Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've been scratching your head wondering why the live option is missing on your TikTok, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to get that sorted out. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video for all the tips. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our guides. First things first, let's understand why the live option might not be showing up for you. The most common reasons include not meeting TikTok's age requirement, which is 16 years for accessing live and 18 for receiving gifts. Not having enough followers, which typically means having fewer than 1000 followers, or it could simply mean be a glitch or a temporary issue with the app. So step 1, make sure you meet the have at least 1000 followers. But if you don't meet the 1000 followers, the second is the option. Now to solve it, the first thing you need to do is open your TikTok application, then go on your profile and click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find report a problem. Now simply choose on the live option, then proceed to choose hosting live. Now click on how to start a live. Scroll down and click on no. Then click on need more help. Now simply write about the problem that you're facing to the TikTok. Then simply press on send and send it to the TikTok support. It may take some time to get a response, but it will simply do it. And there you have it, some steps you can take if the live option is missing on your TikTok. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.